Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that, the world leading fiat currency is the US dollar, but now Saudi Arabia considers accepting Yuan instead of dollars for Chinese oil sales. And this is a very interesting thing, and which way can this one lead? Okay, the second thing I will talk about is Instagram is adding NFTs soon, according to Mark Zuckerberg. And the third topic is about the Fed meeting and its result, which is on today, and the press conference will be, well, depends where you are, but 2 p.m. Eastern time. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, simply just do so. Subscribe, bell button, all that's it you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Also, check out the links under this video, many useful ones. When you, for instance, would like to register to centralized exchanges, with those links you can get your discounts when you do a transaction. From the transaction fee, obviously, the money goes off. And also, there is a video how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is also free. It's a course and you can just download it and learn from it. Okay, and now when we're moving on to the market, we can see that Bitcoin is actually up 4.6% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum is up 5.7%. So Bitcoin over 40,000 and Ethereum is 2,682. When we're looking at the winners, we can see the leader Waves with 15%, then we have Phantom 14%, and we have the Graph 11%. Yeah, have a look at the losers. Torchain, the leader, 12%. Humans AI 6.9 down, and that's it basically. Now kind of looking good, put it this way. And when we're looking at the candlestick chart, there we can see that recently we can see these, these Bart Simpson patterns, when it goes up and down, and then, whoops, hang on. And then we have here, again, another one, up and down. And this is here now on the 15-minute one. I can show you the recent one, by the way, just have a look. So this is the reason why I call it Bart pattern, because it's just like, looks like the hair of Bart, and it goes up and then it goes down. And the recent one, was actually during the night now, but for that I have to go on the 1 minute one so you can see it much better. There we go. We were down all the way to 39,000. We pumped up to 41,500, and we spent there like we came down a little bit, but this was like basically an hour, and then we were down again. So we can see these things. Obviously many shorts are liquidated in these cases, and yeah, so leverage trading, be careful with that. It's basically these kind of things kill it. Yeah, overall, let's move on to the daily, and we can see that we're still in this symmetric triangle. Now here we are, maybe moving upward. We'll see. Sooner or later we will break out, obviously. Which direction? Well, the future will tell, obviously. But we are in this range since the beginning of January, going here, and it's a bit narrowing now. Well, we just broke this trend line. It is very recent one. Okay, it's not a big one, but yes, and again, look, where was the resistance? At 42,000, as so many times already. Even here, look, the previous one came back here from here as well. Now it's the same pose happening. Yeah, so we will see. Exciting. Bitcoin and crypto is definitely exciting. You can never sleep, even if it's boring now in a way that sideways movements. But you never know, and this is part of the game. Right. Oh, another thing I would like to point out, which was shared by Dan here on Twitter, that when you're looking at the stock market, then you can see that these were the top negative stars, the top when the price returned through 48 days trading days. And 2009 was the worst, 2020, 1935, and now 2022. But look at the price return day 49 to the year end. So not out of the 48, so the 49th till the end. Look, very nice increases. Now we're talking about the stock market, right? Not every single year. 2008, it did look different. But after all these times here, it's always a recession kind of thing, or some very interesting thing happening on the market, which a black swan event, for instance. But still, even if that's happening, they came out here positive. So this is just like an interesting thought. Obviously, question mark, what will happen in this year? We don't know exactly. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that Saudi Arabia considers accepting Chinese yuan instead of US dollar for Chinese oil sales. Obviously, we can see that there is a problem with fiat currency. For why? Well, it's the nature of fiat currency, to be honest with you. But now it looks like that the inflation numbers, even in the US dollar, which is actually the leader, the world fiat currency, the biggest, it's getting worse and worse. And then we have many countries which there's actually shocking the numbers when we look at. Therefore, here's the question that, okay, how long can, the US dollar be a leader? And interestingly now, Saudi Arabia considers accepting yuan instead of dollar for Chinese oil sale. And so zoom in a little bit. So Saudi Arabia is in active talks with Beijing to price some of its oil sales to China in yuan. People familiar with the matter said the move that would dent the US dollar's dominance of the global petroleum market and mark another shift by the world's top crude export toward Asia. So China buys more than 25% of the oil that Saudi Arabia exports. 25%, a quarter of it goes to China. If the price in yuan, those sales would boost the standing of Chinese currency. So the majority of the global oil sale, around 80%, are done in dollars. So far, obviously the biggest one. And the Saudis have traded oil exclusively in dollars since 1974, exclusively. So this could be a very, very interesting turn if now it's the, all the oil which comes from Saudi Arabia, so their export goes to, 25%. 25% goes to China. And it can be partly or fully, we'll see, traded in yuan. That will give some strength to the yuan. But let's go even further. And here we go. India. So India is reportedly planning to buy Russian oil at discounted price and even considering the Chinese yuan as a reference currency in the India-Russia payment settlement mechanism. So now India is going for the cheaper Russian oil and doing that in Chinese yuan. So the reason why I'm saying this, and I think it's an important topic in news, is that we do know that the world is dominated by the US, but China is coming up very strongly. And the next step in this battle between US and China is definitely their currency, which one is used more worldwide. And now dominance goes definitely to the US dollar. But here are the first single signs that Chinese yuan can start to come up on the list. And in which way this is leading and what will happen, the future will tell. And don't forget, China is the leader in CBDCs. So they have done the most research and everything on it, and they working out very hardly the central bank digital currency, in Chinese yuan. So in that version, so interesting things. I'm let it sink, but you know, just keep that in mind. Okay, next topic. The next topic is all about that Instagram is adding NFT soon. So there's an announcement from Mark Zuckerberg, and he's saying that we are working on bringing NFTs to Instagram in the near term. This is what he said, adding that he hopes NFTs minting will be available in month. So we're talking a couple of months. And just think about it, that it can bring another hype, maybe, to NFTs. You never know. You never know. Maybe it's not strong enough. But we do know that now the hype, it's a little bit over what NFTs just had recently. We had a major hype back in 2020, beginning of the year, January, February. Now we had, you know, end of last year, beginning of this year. Now it's died again. But if Instagram is adding NFTs soon, you never know what will be the next push to start NFTs to grow again. And this can come actually in a couple of months' time. How they plan it, the details are not revealed yet, what it will be exactly. But bottom line, NFTs minting coming to Instagram. Okay, and now the next topic. And the next topic I have to talk about, you know, the Fed meeting, what is ongoing right now, and when will be the result and what to expect. Let's talk about it. So, you know, the Fed meeting, it's right now on. And if you're looking at this, you know, January was the last time between the 25th and 26th. And now we have the 15th and 16th of March. So this is now what's going on. And, you know, that process will likely start with an interest rate hike of a 1/4 percentage point. So the result I'm talking about. This is what Jerome Powell suggested. It's most likely, put it this way, most likely that this will happen. If it's go to 50, that would be really bad for the market. So, but probably this is what's going to happen. So, but policymakers also will update their outlook for rates as well. GDP, inflation, and unemployment. At the last update, officially projected inflation would run at 2.7%, obviously massive undershoot of current conditions. So what will be the new prediction? I'm also curious about it. And basically, it will be today, 2 p.m. Eastern time. I'm here now in Europe, in Hungary here. Oh yeah, the press conference will be 2:30 p.m. Today, Eastern time. So here in Hungary, the press, it will be 7:30 p.m. Because of the 5-hour time difference. And then we see which way the market will go, because probably the numbers coming out, it can move the market. If it's just like, you know, 25 basis points, then probably this already priced in, and depends what kind of other numbers are coming out. So we will see, but this is what everybody is watching basically today. Guys, that's it for today. And if you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday. And I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.